Kristen and welcome back to my channel. So today's video, me and my sibling will be going out today and we will be going to a Korean restaurant and a K-pop store. We're not going to be doing like pretty much anything else except that. So yeah, I'm just taking you guys along. Enjoy the video. Okay, so we're at the restaurant now. It's kind of loud because it's kind of like just a communal place. But I'm gonna get the Korean corn dog, the OK classic hot dog. So we're at a H Mart, like we're at OK dog egg and toast. I don't want to record it because there's like people at the counter, but yeah, so that's what we're doing. I'm gonna show y'all my food when I get it. He's getting tteokbokki. Oh, and I want to get a slush too. Lady's also getting a corn dog, but I want to get peach slush. I think I love peach, so yeah. Anyway, I got my slushie. This is what it looked like. It's just white. I was really confused because when he put it on the counter, I was like, is this mine? Like, I was confused. I was like, is this mine? And he was like, yeah, that's yours. I was like, oh, okay. But it is really good, by the way. We're waiting for our food. Okay, I'm about to taste test. You guys ready? Okay, let's go. Oh! I didn't even get any of the meat. I only bit the top. Okay, we're gonna actually try to get the meat this time. I mean, it really tastes like a corn dog, like just a regular corn dog, but it is good. Maybe I should have got the sugar powder on it. When he asked me if I wanted the sugar powder, maybe I should have got it. What were your thoughts on the tteokbokki?
I always eat spicy stuff.
Look how red the face is. Strawberry shortcake, literally the color of the shirt. Anything.
That stuff was so spicy.
What are we doing next?
We are going to a Kpop store.
Yeah, but what are we about to do before we go to Kpop?
We're gonna walk around a little bit.
Yeah, okay, slay. Okay, so guys, my hair look crazy. I'm sorry, it's blowing because of the wind, but it's extremely hot. Anyway, so we're walking up to a Brands Mart. Why? I don't know. We finished our food. My money don't jiggle jiggle, it folds. Okay, so we're in the Brands Mart now. They have like an Xbox that is like Fortnite. See, so slay. And then there's like this Animal Crossing Nintendo Switch for $299.88.
Anyone wants to give me $299.88. My cash app is.
And then there's the Winnie the Pooh thing. That's cute. Yeah. So yeah, we just walking around. We're not gonna buy nothing. We're just here, to be honest. We are. It's kind of nice though. They have air conditioning. Ooh, TVs. Let's go slay in the TV section. This person just went and sat down on the couch, bro. What are you on the couch for? No, I don't want to sit down. I don't want to sit down on the $2,169 couch. And then there's this living room section. Nobody's in here, right? This is MTV Cribs, and this is my home. Look at all my TVs. Okay, so this couple was just in the room that we were just in, and they were just staring, bro. So I walked out. I never showed y'all my fit. Hold on. This person's all the way back there. I was walking slow. I just got run up on, dude. Yeah, that's my fit. Okay, let's go. Where are we going now? I don't know. Okay, hi. We're in a boba restaurant. I'm gonna show you all the albums I got. Guys, I bought 6 albums. Oh, I love this song. I'm gonna get copyrighted. Anyway, I bought the No Easy CD. I didn't want to buy the whole album just because I just didn't want to, but it has Bang Chan on it. It has like, the store had like ones with all the different members on it. So I said I was gonna buy 4 albums, right? I said I was gonna buy 4 albums, and this was the one I was gonna buy. Some of them they didn't have, like they didn't have Crazy in Love by ET, so I didn't get it. I got Just Harmony Find Out, the first version of the 3rd album. I accidentally bought the 2nd version of this album, so I decided to buy the 1st version of it. I bought Blackpink, the album. This was one of the ones I said I was gonna buy. I bought this TXT thing. Don't mind the wrapping, I accidentally ripped it. I bought this TXT album. I was gonna buy Freeze, but they didn't have it, so I didn't buy it. Then I bought Guess Who by ITZY. And I got 2 free posters. I got Chungha and Dreamcatcher. Oh, and then I got these photo cards. Hold on. They gave me 2 free P1 Harmony photo cards because I guess because I bought the album. I don't know. This is Theo Polaroid. And then this Intak and Jung Polaroid. I mean, photo card. Oh, and then I bought these face masks just because I wanted them. I bought these 2 face masks. Don't bring me down. Anyway, so that's it. I'm gonna show y'all my drink when it comes out. They gave Lady a Jung photo card. My sister loves Jung. Okay, so this is the drink. Jasmine honey tea. The jasmine honey tea. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna do a taste test now. It's okay. It kind of tastes like perfume. This is the peach oolong milk tea. Yeah. And that one tastes better to them than it does to me. So we were gonna go to a karaoke thingy, but it only has reservations, and we didn't have a reservation. This is the one they got today. That's it. I'm gonna show y'all my albums and stuff when I get home. We're gonna do like an unboxing. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm back home. I'm gonna show you my albums now. So I already showed you this one, but it's just the No Easy one. I'm about to open it and see what it looks like. But this is what it looks like. It looks like this. Oh, not the reflection. Okay. Anyway, it looks like that. Let's see what the book looks like. Oh, it has a photo card in it. Changbin, yay. It has stickers. I already have stickers and I don't ever know what to do with stickers. Ooh, Bang Chan. I got this because it's Bang Chan and he's my favorite member. So like, yeah. He's so, Okay, next one is Blackpink, the album. This is so crazy. This is my first like K-pop unboxing on YouTube. Whoa, that was quirky. Okay, okay. So this is the photo book. You see it like, it's like the, wait, where'd the crown go? Wait, do I do up? Oh, there it is. Do you see it? Yes. Cool. I'm not gonna show you everybody. Ooh, Jisoo. That's my favorite member. I'm manifesting Jisoo PC. Oops, I'm sorry about that. Okay. So there's this. So nice. I guess this is like a sticker? Not sure. Like a sticker. Jennie and Lisa. Yeah. Jennie and Lisa. Please.
Oh my god, you got
Okay, I got Jisoo and Lisa. I got Jisoo and Lisa. Wait, so I have everyone from this album because I also have Lisa and Jennie. I got Jisoo and Lisa. I'm so happy. I wanted Jisoo so badly. Oh, here's what the CD looks like. They put Jisoo in the front, as they should, because I wanted her. I love her. Oh, Jennie, Lisa, Rose. But they put Jisoo in the front, as they should. That's my girlie. I was gonna buy the other version of the second album if they had it, but they didn't. So this is the first version of the third album. We're gonna look at and see who I pulled first. Oh my god, it's my son! Jungso! Hi, Jungso!
Oh, that's a cute photo card.
He's so adorable. Okay. Kiho. For those who don't know anything about K-pop at all, this is the group that I went and saw in concert. Ah! This is my love. My child. Okay, let's see who I got with the poster. Watch it be Soul again. Oh my god, it is! This is my third Soul poster. That's okay. I love Soul. So, I have like every Jung standing photo card. Because in the first album I got Soul, in the second album I got Jung, in the third album I got Jung, and now I have Jung again. You know, I think Jung and Soul just love me. Okay, this is the thingy. I only got not Soul in one album, and that was the second album where I got In Talk. Okay, so this is what the CD looks like. Now we're gonna open the Wonho album. So the first three groups I showed are ones that I stand hardcore, but I really been wanting to get into Wonho because I just like Wonho. I think he's so cute and I like how he sings. Yes. So we're gonna open Wonho Obsession because I wanted this album because Eye on You is my junk. And I just listened to somebody recently, but my favorite song by him is Losing You and Open Mind, I think. So first of all, this is what it looked like. It's really cool. I'm like shaking right now. I don't know why. The sleeve is really nice. I thought this was on the album, like the Obsession thing, but it's not. I'll show you. Okay, this one's fine, but he got his feet out. This man always got his feet out. I'm gonna look at the rest of the photo book later. I'm gonna look at the rest of all the photo books later, but this is cool. I don't really know what it is. It's kind of cool though. It's like him. This is like whatever this is. This is cool. Yeah. And then there's some pictures of him. Oh wait, I bet you there's photo cards in the photo book. Okay, I'm gonna have to look through them. Hold on. This is cute. This is also cute. This is also cute. Okay, let me open back the photo book because there should be a photo card in here. Oh, the CD is this. Yeah, they said they come with more than one. Oh, it's upside down. Okay.
He looks good.
He often does. This is my favorite one. His hair is so cute here. Okay, yes. So anyway, Stan Wonho, I guess. Yeah, that's all I have to say.